What's good, Gadget Squad? Today we're checking out a must-have for any household toolbox. This Gardner Bender household tester kit tests voltage, batteries, outlets, and even USB ports. It comes with 4 testers. The one you see right here is an outlet tester. This kit is simple, affordable, and solves everyday electrical mysteries fast. Next up, we got the voltage tester. This right here is going to be your battery tester. And finally, the USB tester. Let's start with the outlet tester. Just plug it in, and the light pattern tells you if the wiring is correct or if there's an issue like an open ground or a reversed hot and neutral. If the wiring is properly connected with hot, neutral, and ground wires in their designated positions, that means your indicator lights is going to match mine. Up next is the USB tester. Plug the USB tester into any USB port and it checks for correct voltage. It's especially handy for power banks, charging bricks, or sketchy wall plugs. See, I knew this one was sketchy. It's time to get rid of this one. The green light here is indicating a good port. Hey, if you're anything like me and keep extra batteries around, then this battery tester might be good to have. Use the battery tester to quickly check AA, AAA, NV, C, and D batteries. You get a clear analog reading. Red is bad, green is good, yellow is somewhere in between. The voltage tester is your go-to for checking live wires. As you can see, it requires AAA batteries. Get the probe near a terminal or a wire and then press this button. It'll check for voltage. This is the reaction when picking up a voltage. When you see it light up like this, you know it's live.